Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a website from Google Search Console. Only the website will be removed from Google Search Console. It doesn't mean the website will be removed from Google. Okay, so we are going to start. First thing, you need to select the correct website that you want to remove from Google Search Console. As you can see on my case here, I already select the website. Okay, so from here, when you select the website, you scroll down here on the left side. Okay, from here, you're gonna click on setting. Okay, from here, you scroll down. As you can see here, property added to account 2003 August. Okay, so what I can do from here, I'm gonna click remove property, and they're gonna ask you to confirm. Are you sure that you want to remove this website from your account? In order to add the property back, you will need to add the property using the property list menu. I'm gonna say yes, remove property, and then it's gone. As you can see, it's completely gone. Very simple, right? I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe. Ciao.